What's up, guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. We have a quick question and sent in more photos. So, hey, Tony, as you see, I sent in more photos. You can see the scratch in the paint where the edge of the trunk has a tape line on it from where the idiot taped and sprayed the car. You can see the tape marks in the paint, and now you see a scratch that appeared. It's not a scratch. It actually is the paint cracking. So he's talking about this right here. This looks like a very cheap clear was used, and when it was cured, it basically cracked open. Or it could be from, like I said, somebody masking this line underneath and then taking the paper off or the masking tape off, and then it kind of gouged into the clear. But this clearly kind of looks like a crack to me. It looks like it cracked up. So this is the result of cheap clear coats. This is what's going to happen if it's too thin and it's very cheap clear coat. All right. If we look down here, it looks like the paint was put on very thin, and that's why it's just bleeding through like this at the bottom. There's another crack over here. It just looks like a very bad paint job. I think you're talking about the edge here, so that looks like, to really redo this, the whole car needs to be painted again. So you need to sand the whole thing down really well, follow the steps in the VIP program. I show you how to do this. And, if you want, you can go as far as priming the whole thing down, sealing it using a primer sealer, and then putting a fresh coat of base coat, followed by 2 or 3 coats of clear coat on top of this. All right, so that's pretty much it. Hopefully this helps you. There's really nothing you could do besides repainting the whole car. It is what it is. And I get what you're saying when you sanded the chips to metal. I didn't realize that it was rusted because I didn't see any rust photos. So that's why you sanded it to metal. And then, yeah, you could, if it's a large metal areas, you want to use an epoxy primer. If it's just little dime-sized metal areas, you can use a 2K filler primer right over that. It doesn't hurt. Okay, and then if you do epoxy first, you want to follow through with a 2K primer, cut it down, sand it, and then you could put your base coat, clear coat paint job on top of that, or a single stage enamel. Whatever paint system you decide using can go over that with no problem. All right, hopefully this helps you out. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. If you have any questions, comment down below. And if you're watching this on YouTube, all you have to do is click the top right of this video to grab a free 85-page auto body and paint guide. There's going to be a little drop down here. Put your email and grab that, or you can even just go click down below. If you're on desktop, you can click the description. There's some links in there where you can get over to the website to learn more about auto body, and also you can just check out LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com to grab your free 85-page auto body guide here as well, and also the other trainings that we have on the website, including the VIP course. It's Tony here. Comment down below. Let me know your questions. Talk to you soon. Have a great day.